Hello everybody, my full name is Farman Nizam and I'm an assistant teacher of Department of Land Management and Land Use. So in this lesson we are going to talk about purpose and tasks of geographic information system. This lesson consists of four parts. Firstly, we are would likely going to talk about GIS, and second, in what areas the GIS is used, and third, components of GIS, and lastly, application of GIS. Introduction to the science geographic information systems and concepts and tasks of science. GIS, Geographic Information System, is a modern computer technology designed to map the real world as well as to analyze and make decisions about what is happening on our planet and in our lives and activities. Also, there is a new subject, geoinformation cartography. Is a new network in cartography that teaches how to use a map as a source of information. And also GIS nowadays is used widely around the world. For example, in this picture we can see an hydrological map of the stream, and there is a legend, and it means elevation where rectangle is blue, and it means elevation of stream. And also there are lots of colors that shows a map of legend. And in this picture we can see stream power index, and where rounds is red, and it shows us very high, and where rounds are in yellow color, and it means high, and next medium and low and very low. And also there are topographic wetness indexes and stream order. Also, the next picture shows us gauging station, and there are three water reservoir, and first Charvak, Ugam, Gazalkent, and Chinos. And at the bottom of the slide, and we can see discharge of Ugam and Charvak and Chinos in water reservoir. GIS technology also used for different kind of purposes. For example, we can use it for agriculture, and in these two map we can see from images from satellite, and on the right side of the slide means us vegetation fraction, and GIS gives us opportunity to analyze the vegetation cycle. Also we can use GIS technology in order to show real surroundings and plant growth condition, and as well as evapotranspiration. GIS also used for ecology, for example, assessment of natural condition and monitoring, modeling of environmental disaster and analysis of their consequences, and lastly, planning for preservation of environment. And in this picture we can see ground water table depths and its quantities. GIS also used for in urban planning and in order to create a digital map of land. Firstly, we should download images from satellite, and after that we can analyze it on the RGS program, which is related to geographic information system. When creating three-dimensional sized maps and models of geographical objects, we also explore geographic information system. And in this video we can see three-dimensional map of mountain, and now I play this video. So this video illustrates us three-dimensional map of the mountain, and it's very useful to analyze the place and to get lots of information about the place. And also there is a next video means actual transpiration, and this quantity changes step by step, and we can see their quantity also changes. And actual evapotranspiration millimeter a day, and also total snow storage, and also it's changes step by step, and this quantity is increased day by day. Nowadays GIS is being applied widely across the globe. For example, GIS used for land management resources and cadastre, also engineering and construction, remote sensing, protecting the environment, sea navigation, agriculture, cartography, education, marketing, geology, tourism, protection, transport, and ecology. What are geographic information systems? GIS is a computer technology, computer programs, data, and personal systems that assist us in the processing, analysis, and presentation of information related to spatial location and spatial data collection, storage, visualization, analysis, and presentation and management equipment. And there are lots of pictures that shows us geographic information system, and for example computer programs, informations, and spatial database, and the methods, and as well as personal system. There are lots of different kind of software programs that belongs to geographical information system. GIS software consists of the function and the devices needed to visualize and analyze and store geographic spatial information. For example, MapInfo is software programs is related to GIS, and ArcGIS, Global Mapper, GeoMedia, and as well as QGIS. Personal system, the widespread, widespread use of GIS technology cannot be done without people. As an example, they work with the result of the program and apply it in solving real tasks. Methods in this map, you can see center, historic center of the Bukhara, and it's separated into three category. For example, in red one, historical monuments. In green one is resident buildings, and lastly, in a blue shows us municipal buildings. Methods of obtaining data. There are different kind of methods in order to get new data. For example, we can get lots of images from satellites and antique photos from drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, pictures taken from the sky. Also, GIS usage platform, and this platform is from Google Earth Pro, and it gives us lots of opportunity. For example, we can find our location fastly and accurately, and we can get to our destination that we want. Nowadays, GIS used widely in our republic. For example, there is a question: in what areas is the GIS used in Uzbekistan? For example, GIS used in Uzbekistan in the state service for monitoring dangerous geological process of the Republic of Uzbekistan. The next one, Toshkent Institute of Irrigation and Agricultural Mechanization Engineers, the Department of Hydraulic Structures and Engineering Structures. The next one, Uz Hydromet Center and Hydrometeorological Service, and the Ministry of Emergency Situation of the Republic of the Uzbekistan. And next, the Ministry of the Emergency Situation, Republic of Uzbekistan, and UNESCO office in Uzbekistan, and lastly, Ministry of Culture of Republic of the Uzbekistan, main department of research and production of protection and use cultural heritage. Spatial data or data associated with spatial location, geographical elements in life, and conversion information system data. The geographical elements of real life are infinitely complex. You will need an infinitely large database to store real life and data very accurately. Data must be reduced to a level that is limited and manageable in some ways. The process of generalization or abstraction. Spatial data or data associated with spatial location. Geospatial data, location or a pair of coordinates, and we can see there are geographical coordinate system and object information. Coordinate system. There are two types of coordinate system. Firstly, the geographical coordinate system and projection coordinate system. And projection coordinate system separated into cylindrical and conical and azimuthal. projection system. A geographical coordinate system. The geographic coordinate system is calculated by length and latitude, lines of equal length, meridian lines, longitude and longitude. Latitude is a parallel lines with latitude. The principal meridian passes through Greenwich Observatory in England and is read as a 0 degrees. The main meridian and equator line are the basis of geographical coordinates. And in this two globe, and we can see length and latitude. For example, parallel lines means as latitude and equal length of meridian lines means as length, and there are two poles, for example north and south pole, and there are prime meridian, that means 0 degrees. A geographical coordinate system. Geographical coordinate system is one of the most popular coordinate system. Is used for creating the various digital map of land, and also is used widely. For example, measure based on angles and relative to the center of the globe. Geographic coordinate system. The angular measures of longitude and latitude may be expressed in degrees, minutes, seconds, and decimal degrees or radians. And in this table, we can see degree, minute, seconds converted to decimal degrees. For example, 45 degree, 52 minutes and 30 seconds equal to 45.875 degrees, and it calculated that 45 plus 52 subtraction 60 and plus 30 subtraction 360 600 and equal to 45.875 degrees. Okay, cool. Our lesson is finished there, and thank you for your attention.